Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use the door fitter tool within CloudWorx for Revit. Let's get into it. I'm going to start by using the project that we've used the last couple of weeks. Navigating to a ground floor plan, I'm going to create a section so I can see where I want to fit my door in my wall. To do this, I'm simply going to use the Revit section tool. With my section created, I can very clearly see where the door is in my wall. To start the door tool, I simply navigate to my door fitter tool within CloudWorx. Here you can see I can set my air, my door type based off the Revit family, the way I want to fit my door. I can tell to auto fit, change the sill height. I also have the ability to create a wall if I don't already have one created. Once I'm happy, I simply click OK. I can select the wall that I want to use to extract the door, and then select the 2 points for my door. CloudWorx will automatically find the best fitting door based off my picks. I can see the sizes available in the family, or I can create my own custom one based off the sizes that I've picked. Once I click OK, my door is inserted into my wall. I can simply rinse and repeat this process throughout my project until I have all the doors selected that I require. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll catch you on the next one.